The pursuit of clean, sterile air in healthcare environments to battle surgical site and hospital-associated infections, improve conditions for clinicians, and address superbug and pandemic concerns has been ongoing for decades. Of high concern are airborne bacteria, viruses, and spores including MRSA, C. diff, tuberculosis, and SARS-CoV-2. In recent years, healthcare facilities, recognizing the proven germicidal properties of UV energy, have attempted to improve air quality by placing UV fixtures in various locations throughout ORs and other environments. These systems include both those claiming adequate disinfection, running while the room is occupied and staff and patient are exposed, and those that require the room to be vacant. There is little published research validating the safety of those systems that allow the rooms to be occupied. Both systems, however, offer encouraging test results on effectiveness in their sales efforts. The confusion lies, however, in how such testing is performed versus the real-world issues these systems purport to address. Testing is frequently done on contaminant samples presented on a test surface or plate, not with the airborne contaminants the systems are designed to attack. Furthermore, the disinfection property of UV drops off dramatically as distance between the UV source and the target contaminant increases. In normal and laminar airflow environments, the distance from the UV source and the airborne contaminants varies continuously, bringing into question any fixed position test results offered by vendors. What, however, would happen if the air in an OR and other healthcare environments was sterilized before it entered the room and was then continuously sterilized as the air in the room was replaced? Advanced Ultraviolet Systems, under the direction of Chief Technology Officer Dr. Wayne Clark, has previously developed systems to disinfect handheld devices and larger items. Introduced in 2015, today these systems are used throughout more than 700 U.S. hospitals and hospital groups, as well as hundreds of additional EMS, law enforcement, education, and general business environments. Having addressed surface disinfection, Dr. Clark and AUVS have returned to the company's roots, focusing on the issue of air sterilization. After the post-9/11 anthrax attacks, the U.S. Department of Defense turned to Dr. Clark, their go-to person for germicidal UV. Sponsored by the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, Dr. Clark and his team of PhDs developed their patented system, proven to kill airborne germs and spores in milliseconds as they pass through the system. To this day, Dr. Clark's solution is at work around the clock in the Pentagon protecting the U.S. military. This same system is also used by Boeing, BAE Systems, and in pharmaceutical biomanufacturing environments. Adapting and scaling this proven technology for healthcare environments, Dr. Clark and AUVS are for the first time providing a solution that brings true sterile air into healthcare environments, continuously cleaning the air whenever rooms are in use and the facility's HVAC system is running. Designed and built in AUVS's Atlanta, Georgia plant, the AUVS BioProtector 3131 uses Dr. Clark's patented application of UVC in a fully enclosed germicidal chamber above the ceiling within the facility's HVAC system. Utilizing the HVAC system to flood areas with sterile air, this photon multiplication technology permits the creation of very intense, highly uniform UV doses, providing rapid single-pass air sterilization and high microbial kill levels, all without increasing input power. The system kills biocontaminants going into or coming out of an area via the HVAC return. This critical air sterilization allows hospitals to attack airborne bacteria, spores, and viruses. Operating rooms, the ICU, NICU, ED, and sterile processing can all have true sterile air. The BioProtector 3131 addresses surgical site infections due to airborne bacteria and viruses. Laminar flow systems are improved as sterile air pushes the pathogens away from the surgical site. Biocontaminants are killed rather than trapped. Its low pressure drop means the system is easy to retrofit into existing HVAC systems. Performance can be continuously monitored. Its energy efficiency, requiring less horsepower, controls hospital costs. As companies integrate OR systems, air disinfection has become a must-have solution. The above-the-ceiling enclosed HVAC integrated BP3131 allows AUVS partners to leapfrog over competitors that offer in-room UV or filtration-only products. AUVS project managers are available to provide turnkey support, allowing you to easily expand your current offerings. For additional information, contact AUVS.